I'm so cold, you got me out here.
I've been taking on all this baggage, adding on so much weight. Had me thinking that I was average, when you really don't play.
All you need, but I was wrong. She was wrong.
Hey, how you gonna throw it away? How you gonna sit and act like it was nothing? Yeah, how you gonna throw it away? How you gonna think it's so damn hard to explain? How you gonna throw it all away and say my love that was not the same? Yeah, how you gonna throw it away? Acting like the same and nothing to you is your tongue. Acting like you numb, it got me gone. Only about yourself. When I find somebody else, so why put up with this? Why did I even die? You said you hold me down forever, but you lied to me, lied to me.
Say hi. Let me show you guys what we got. Soda. 2 bottles of water. Milk. Meat pie. And an apple. Thing. A bag.
It's when I I've been taking on all this baggage, adding on so much weight. Had me thinking that I was average, when you really don't play. How you gonna throw it away? How you gonna sit and act like it was nothing? How you gonna?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Tukona nani mkuu? I'm with who? Kisha dereva. December nimeanza. We are on our way to the airport.
Kupatia hii zawadi. Zawadi anipatia ndoo peke yake na hapa hiki chote ndondo.
Magic. Welcome back to Melissa's channel. So guys, today is my birthday. I'm starting with the intro because I'm the birthday girl, and this is going to be my birthday vlog. So we had breakfast an hour ago. We had some pancakes with Nutella with juice. It was so yummy. It was so delish. Chef, you did a great job. So now we're just going to wait to get ready and for the people to come. So yeah.
Tell me what you see in me. Gotta be something different. You must be made for me. Patience is everything. In and out, in and out, in and out. Arguing, trifling, difficult. Baby, more. I don't know why you love me. Yeah. You got it bad for me, babe.
Yeah, my baby. It's too hot. What? You're waiting for food? And then later cake. Then what else? Tomorrow is when we'll be going out, right? Tomorrow is beach day.
Their feet. No shoes for now.
And who is this? Who are you? Who are you? Who are you? Who are you? Who are
Baby, I'm trusting you. I'm trusting you. Fighting on my mind, fighting on my life. You, I'm trusting you, babe. I want this to work out so bad, but I feel it in my chest, and I want
Ana tu vile inakaa.